Today I'm going to show to all of you how to bake the salmon. Here are all the ingredients. Of course, the salmon, it's already clean. Olive oil, salt and black pepper, Holland herbs, tomato, onion, garlic, lemongrass. I used the roots of the lemongrass. I mean the stem, thyme, and the rosemary. I used fresh rosemary. In a chopping machine, a chopper machine, you will put the onion, the tomato, and garlic. You will put 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and you put exact amount of black pepper and salt. Not too much. This is already mixed. Salt and pepper. Then you will chop it, but don't over chop. Only like this, and then it's set aside. The lemongrass, you cut it half and cut it lengthwise. You will do the same like this. The thyme, don't cut it, only like this. The rosemary, you will remove it. You will do like this. And the Holland herbs, just do the same this one. The salmon, you cut two like this. Then you will put here the chopped onion, tomato, and garlic. Then you will put lemongrass, thyme, and our fresh rosemary. On the top, you will sprinkle a little bit of salt and black pepper on the top. And you will do the same to all of this. Here it is. I already finished. I already put all the ingredients inside. Insert here in the salmon. See, this is already ready to bake. Salmon, rich and omega fat that gives glowing skin. Oh, a bouncy here, and a taking lively here. Guys, in my channel, you will not only learn how to cook, but you have fun too, because I do cooking and singing. I already arranged in the tray, so ready to put inside in the oven. I set the oven to 150 degrees Celsius, and then I'm going to bake it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'm going to check. Here it is. It's already done. This is my version of preparing healthy salmon. Guys, if you would like this video, please, I do ask a favor to all of you guys who watch my video to subscribe and support my channel. Thank you.